Hey guys, it's Colin here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make 3D shapes. So, I don't really know how to do this, but basically all you really need to start out with is a simple square. Just a simple square. Then, what you want to do is add these lines right there. Now, I can't really focus this too well. Okay, like that. You can already see it's coming together. Then you want to add lines like that so it does look like a cube. Now, if you were wondering, no, I have not just learned this. I have been knowing this for like a couple of years now, so don't think I'm a noob or whatever. So, now you want to make this, well, Cullen, how do you make this like translucent? I mean, like you can see through it and some, translucent. So, if I could just make this focus a little bit. You want to add another line in the middle, and then you want to connect it and add it to the top right there. Now you have a full 3D shape. And if you're wondering how to do, like, connect them together, like a house or something, just put, you just draw the line on top of the back and then the front. And then all you have to do is just connect it. Just like that. Now I'm looking at the camera, so it's not going to be too good. And if you want to do a triangle, you just do a triangle on the back, triangle on the front, connect it at the top. There you go, you got your double layer house or whatever. If you want to make stairs, and I don't really do this too 3D. I just do it inside the house. And like that, and then you got a second layer. Kind of. Yeah. And so let's get rid of that subject. Let's go on to make a spaceship. So what I usually do is wow, I can't see anything. I'm sorry guys if it's blurry. I just cannot see. I'll be back until I make this. So as you can see here, I've made a little spaceship. It's not too bad, and you might want to, so there's just a 3x3 interior. It's just flat. I can make this like full block, but that's for another episode. And then I have these little triangle parts for the boosters. And I add little just effects, and don't worry about that. It's a long triangle. I made this little dome thing right here just to have more shape, and a flag obviously, so they can land on the moon and be pretty cool people. So basically how I do this, if you're wondering how to make, like, let's start out with a 4x4 layer. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start out with 4 squares just like that. They're a little bit uneven, but I'm not going to worry about that now. Then I'm just going to add these little corner parts. And now it's kind of coming together. And then, one by one, I'm going to add their bottoms and tops. If we just do a straight line, it might look a little wonky, so make sure you do it one by one. And I put the lines in the background for the structure. There you go. And if you're wondering how to do the triangles, it's pretty simple. You just put a triangle on the back, triangle on the front, and then do it for the same on this side. As you can see here, I made wings, and you don't have to do the wings. I'm just doing it for details, and yeah. So, that's done. Now we're going to move on to, like, the part where you want to make it long. So all you have to do is draw that. And instead of making it short like this, you're going to make it long. And so as you can tell, it's bigger. Gonna add the pillars and the back. And if we added these next to each other, like that, it doesn't look so, and you can't really tell that it's a longer version of the original cube. So I usually don't go that long. If I do go that long, I'll just make like one, instead of just doing 4 independently, I'll just make, sorry about my hand by the way, I'll just make one big one, like that. So instead of doing these, the biggest amount you want to do with your back lines. So you want to, oh jeez. Okay, let me make that better. So you just want to make a regular cube, and the biggest I usually go is right there. If I go any bigger, it's usually going to be too big. Because, yeah, you already know, you can't really tell that it's actually a cube. And so look what we've done so far. It's pretty impressive, if you ask me. Now what you want to think of is how do we make like these type of star things. So what I usually do, okay, you might not want to do these stars, but just for the spaceship theme, I'm going to do it. So, can't make a full star yet, but I'll make that later. So I start out with just a 2D shape, and then I make the center one into a cube. If it overlaps on the other things, it is fine, because we're going to be doing that. And now, we add the back sides. Oh yeah, and making sideways triangles isn't that hard actually in upside down ones. Because all you have to do, so if you actually just do a regular triangle, it's gonna, oh, I messed up. I messed up so hard, but it's gonna look something like that. You can't see that, can you? Center. Please center. Come on. There we go. It's gonna look something like that. But if you want to do a sideways triangle, it's a little more challenging. But this isn't actually how, this isn't actually how I actually make a triangle. As you can see, it's different, but it's kind of how it does it. And I think that's it for today's tutorial. Thank you for watching. I hope you've learned a lot today. Like the video, comment down below, subscribe obviously. Hope you guys enjoyed this video of a tutorial of how to make 3D shapes. If you would like me to do more 3D shapes, leave a comment down below. Hope you guys enjoyed. Also do interior stuff like a house stuff. If you want me just to do tutorials on how to make a house out of 3D shapes, I can show you. And you just have to comment down below. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys later, and goodbye.